Hello everyone. Do you know you can make very tasty cookies with just 3 ingredients and 5 minutes of your time? Join me, let's make it together. In a bowl, we'll be adding 200 grams of soft butter. Your butter have to be soft. If it's not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we'll be adding 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams, and few drops of vanilla gel. This is optional, you can totally skip it. And then we mix very well until it becomes creamy. Some people do ask if they can use granulated sugar in place of icing sugar. The fact is, icing sugar gives the cookies a more smoother texture. But if you don't have icing sugar, you can make yours at home by blending 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You will get yourself a very fine icing sugar. Once we are done creaming, we'll go ahead and add our dry ingredients, which is our all-purpose flour. We'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, which is 360 grams. And then we go ahead to mix it. You can choose to use your spatula, but in this video, I'll be using my hand because it's easier. After mixing, your cookie dough should look like this, smooth and not sticky, and also not hard. Next, we'll go ahead and transfer our dough to a work surface. You can slightly flour your work surface before transferring your dough. Then we mold it into a ball and roll out using our rolling pin to our desired thickness. If you want the cookies to be thin, then you can roll out the dough thinly. But if you want the cookies to be chunky, then you can roll out the dough to have some thickness to it. Once that is done, we'll be cutting our cookies into shape. I'll be using this circle cookie cutter to cut mine. You can use any shape of your choice to cut yours. After cutting our cookies, we'll go ahead and take out the excess and set aside. We'll be using it to make our chocolate cookies. This is what my own looks like after cutting. We'll transfer it to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Then we'll gather the excess we set aside and then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to it and mix it together until a chocolate dough is formed. Once we are done mixing, we'll go ahead and roll it out just like we did in the plain dough, and then we cut it into shape using our desired cookie cutter. Transfer the chocolate cookies to a baking tray layered with parchment paper, just like we did in the plain cookies. After that, we'll go ahead and bake it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or until it looks golden brown. Once our cookies are baked, we'll allow it to cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. These cookies can last you between 2 weeks and 1 month, as long as it's properly stored. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. Also, which beverage will you be pairing it with? If you have any opinions or recommendations for me, please drop it in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. Also, feel free to check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.